start by saying you don't know what it's like to be lonely until you spend time alone, wishing for companionship. I also feel that you don't mind getting old until you get old, and then you find it's a world and a world of genuine feelings for one another, and the good-natured companionship that we all take for granted. I've found that it takes a lot more than that. I'd like to say a couple of words about Goodfellows. Clearly Shantanu doesn't like the work that he's got in my office, so he looks for dogs that need companionship, elder people that need companionship, mustard green dress. I don't know what you call them, salwar kameez. And this gives me a chance to see what he's doing when he's not in the office. Seriously though, I salute this effort. I think people that have seen a major part of their life unfurled before them need and enjoy the companionship that is there without I'll do this for you if you do this for me. Instead, basically, a fondness for companionship with each other, giving of one's time and one's effort to make another person's happiness more secure. So I'd like to salute Shantanu and all of you who made a commitment to this, which you didn't have to do, and you have done it in your own time. And I think, barring the name Goodfellows, it actually reflects on just that good fellows, companion, there at moments of loneliness, happiness, which is a genuine feeling that comes from within. And to me, the wonderful thing that I feel is that a group of young, intelligent people who could do other things, and many of them in the past have done things of that nature for themselves, are here collected to teach and to give companionship to others, seeking nothing in return except the happiness that you caused to have happened. So I forgive Shatana for not being at work, and I wish all of you great happiness that you derive from what you have started. I'm sure it will grow in intensity and grow in terms of image